An Igbo man become the first Nigerian to build a jet engine. Many people no know wetin be jet engine o. This jet engine na the one wey dey see fighter jet engine dey use dey do all the whole thing wey dey dey do. No be small thing. Igbo people are really talented in this country. When you are thinking another thing, they are busy researching, doing another thing entirely. My people, Asari Dokubo finally call for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release. They say that Nigeria government can no longer protect its citizens, so therefore they should release Nnamdi Kanu. As e be like this now, Asari Dokubo say he go open Nigeria army nyash and the government as they threaten am to fight am and to buy am. He say this fight wey dey start, e no go end today and tomorrow. Asari Dokubo also went ahead and said that as e be like this now, if they say they get mind make they put body, say they go collect woto. E don red o, my people. This one, who go separate this particular fight? Let me bring the video of our brother that built jet engine. May you see the kind innovation wey Igbo people they create before we come back and continue.
A young Nigerian, Zico Agbara, has joined those looking to revolutionize the airspace. Zico, who hails from Ebonyi State, has designed the first of its kind turbojet engine, which uses high-pressure air from an air blower to start the engine until it's self-sustains. Zico presented a prototype of the Mark III turbojet engine to the Minister of Defense, Mohamed Badaru, the Minister of Science and Technology, Uche Naji, and other military officials at the Defense Research and Development Bureau Convention, which took place on October 15th at the National Defense College in Abuja. Well, in a post on X, Zico stated that he's the first person in Nigeria and probably in Africa to build a functioning, self-sustaining, afterburning turbojet engine. Congratulations, Zico. Dr. Abati, only 30 seconds.
We keep getting stories of this nature about Nigerians who are very innovative.
Fantastic.
Either they are building electric vehicles or they are building other facilities, either for generating electricity. Now this is in the aviation sector. Now, is there an agency that coordinates all of these activities to take advantage of the talents, the ingenuity of our youth? Okay, we have NIDA, the Technology Development Agency.
All right.
We have NASENI, which is an engineering thing. The military, they have DICON. But you see, we bring all these things on television, we celebrate the young men. Where is the coordination?
Fantastic.
Where is the enabling environment to encourage all this?
Fantastic.
As other countries do.
Congratulations.
That is the missing link in all of this.
Congratulations.
Otherwise, you will keep finding brilliant Nigerians who will be doing things.
All right. I'm glad that he has presented these to the Minister of Defense. Well done. Kudos to Zico. Kudos to all our young Nigerians doing amazing.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This is not the jet engine where they talk about now, so they look like. So this is the first step you start before they start now, because when you see car, sometimes in car, not everybody that build everything you see in car. Some companies have what they specialize on. So this one is called jet engine. This is a great one indeed by this our brother. Okay, let me bring up the video of Asari Dokubo for you. May you see what Asari Dokubo talk recently.
If we cannot protect the people, allow Nnamdi Kanu to come out. Not because of one man, hundreds of people will be killed every day. Allow him to come out. It's as simple as that. The lives of these people are more precious, more important than keeping Nnamdi Kanu in the prison. You do not have the power, the strength, the wherewithal to provide security for the people. You are not talking of property. You are not talking of, you don't have. It's as simple as that. The world will know every details of the atrocities against Nigerian people. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Until they are called to order. Until they are called to order. Until they start to behave like others behave in civilized society. Not like the ones where they kill innocent children and women and other people. They destroy people's house. These things, carry their boat come, army see them, then catch them, then flog them, see they are gone. It don't happen well. We don't settle matter well for river. You don't go there and say, what did happen now? Why do they do this thing? Army, flog them. Civil defense or guy will be carry staff full for him body. One korofo will no carry anything, go flog him. Because because with the fear saying go do cool. These are the things happening. That's the reality that people don't want to hear. The people will hear it. I think they said they were going to kill me. Now I don't ready for them. Make them come kill me. If them fit. Now maybe the first German will carry gun, fight government after Biafran Civil War. Now maybe the first German will government take armored vehicle, take plane, take everything bomb. Now maybe the first German will then catch go put on the ground. In all that I came out because my hands are clean. I cannot kill innocent person for whatever reason. I cannot stand up. Nothing what they do while they look for trouble. When people they look for my trouble, they run.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. I believe that Asari Dokubo will be remembering everything Mazen Nandikalu always told him, that no matter how you try to please your masters, they will always see you as a traitor. They will always see you as their enemy, because you cannot please them. Because when they use you, they will dump you. And if they are looking for a way to dump you, you are very strong for them. They will look for a way to dump you. So there's no other way about it. So we always stay Asari Dokubo that you see this fight to start against Igbo, you will end fighting with those who you are trying to please. And this is what Nigeria is for you. Despite that you are Muslim, but they don't care. If you like, despite that you are Muslim, you turn yourself to Muslim, but they don't even care. They must fight you because they see you, everything you are trying to enter them, and deny you know their weak point. So tell me why they will not fight you. They will. They will do everything to bring you down, and that is their mission. And you yourself, you cannot do anything about it. So the best option for you is unite with your brother. In a family, when you have 10 brothers, everybody will not be normal. That is the truth. One must be quiet. The other one will be bringing ideas. Everybody have in duty. That is how it is. So the Biafra Republic is like a bigger family. A bigger family indeed. Which is everyone have what they know them for. So no matter what you have with Nnamdi, no matter what you have with any IPOB, no matter what you think, no matter what the thought you later get, there is no other way to be freedom, so that resources in your land, you will not be carrying gun to protect it. You're not supposed to carry gun to protect what belongs to you. No, you're not supposed to carry gun to protect. Look at, you are the first German to carry gun to fight the government. Is it supposed to be like that? If the government is taking that to beautify a job, will it take gun to fight them? The answer is no. Then why do you suddenly show your birthright, show your respect, show everything about yourself? And people are seeing you as a 70 years old man, mumu man. This is what people are seeing you as. Sir Asari Dokubo, I'm talking to you. You unite with your brothers. Together, you stand with your brothers, and together your enemy will fall. There's no other way about it. When you unite with your brothers, you will defeat your enemy at all front. But you people will say no. And look at what is happening in Ikwere, in Eche Ikwere now. Anywhere they see people gathered, they are doing bunkering. They don't even do investigate again to know where people are. Just watch the video. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
Now, because everything Nigeria government they do, they won't kill us. We don't die. They carry plane, they shoot everywhere. Both community in the name of bunkering. For a chain, now that they shoot this thing now they hear the sound of the plane.
I don't like this thing.
Now go hear the sound of the plane.
I don't like what you do now. I don't like it though.
Now they see the plane. Now they shoot us direct. Aqua and chain. Now they see them, they don't just see them, they shoot direct in the name of bunkering. See what the Nigerian government they do. Tinubu government, they won't kill everybody. See what the Tinubu government they do. Abia State, Stroke River State, Aqua Che.
Okay, my wonderful people, this is not the chair for inside the verse. You don't hear them. This is not the boundary side between Abia State and the chair people. You understand? So you don't hear them. Waiting that they do our own people. No matter say some part of Ikwere, but this one are chair people. The part of Ikwere, they say they not be Igbo, but that one not be what will come for. Now those ones will be say they don't say their birthrights. People like who speak with two tongues, like Asari Dokubo as well. Asari Dokubo, this is not your people. As they come your place, they don't see you. They find your people, go. They buy them, they go for there because maybe they feel say if it challenge them. Somehow. So, what is the way forward for inside this matter? Asari Dokubo is to unite with your people and everyone stand. These people can't defeat us, no matter what, no matter Western power they get in this present generation we are right now. They can't defeat you people. But when you keep fighting your own people, this is how you will end. You understand? Definitely, they will capture you. Because nobody will come for you. The crowd will not come for you. It's only you and those boys there. You understand? So, uniting with your people is the best option here. And stop speaking with two mouths. Stop speaking with what? Two mouths. My people, now so it be, wanna share the video. For our brother, we built jet engine. May he continue the doing work, but you should remember one thing. I will advise you to go and own your private sector, obtain all certificates you need, and to build your private sector. Nigeria government will not support you. You are Igbo man. Full stop.